Welcome student to our BA third year Indian Writing in English paper number 11B. This is your main paper. So students, today we are going to discuss very interesting poem The Patriot by Nizam Ezekiel. If you remember in our syllabus in unit 1 we have poems of Nizam Ezekiel, and the volume is given Very Indian Poem in Indian English. In this volume, we have to study 3 poems. So today, I have taken a very interesting first poem, The Patriot by Nizam Ezekiel. So students, this is your first slide. In this slide, I am going to read the whole poem. The whole poem is given here, and I am reading the whole poem. So please listen carefully and please try to make the habit of reading poem. So, The Patriot. I am standing for peace and non-violence. Why world is fighting? Why all people of world are not following Mahatma Gandhi? I am simply not understanding. Ancient Indian wisdom is 100% correct. I should say even 200% correct. But modern generation is neglecting. Too much going for fashion and foreign thing. Other day, I am reading newspaper. Every day, I am reading language, Times of India, to improve my English. You want 1 glass lassi? Very good for digestion. With little salt, lovely drink, better than wine. Not that I am everlasting divine. I am the total teetotaler, completely total, but I say wine is for the drunkards only. What you think of prospects of world peace? Pakistan behaving like this? China behaving like that? It is making me really sad. I am telling you, really most harassing me. All men are brothers, no? In India also, Gujaratis, Maharashtrians, Hindiwalas, all brothers. Though some are having funny habits. Still you tolerate me, I tolerate you. One day Ram Rajya is surely coming. You are going, but you will visit again. Anytime, any day. I am not believing in ceremony. Always I am enjoying your company. So in this way, please try to make the habit of reading poem. And in other slide, you will find I have taken 5 to 6 lines of this poem, and then I try my level best to explain it with hard words. So students, this is your second slide of our poem, The Patriot by Nizam Ezekiel. In this slide, I have taken the previous lines from our poem, The Patriot, and side by side, here you will find the hard words are given here. And now see here, the poem, the very first line, I am standing for peace and non-violence. Why world is fighting? Why all people of world are not following Mahatma Gandhi? I am simply not understanding. So hard words are also given here. Here you will find the first hard word, non-violence. The meaning is given here. Non-violence here means not violent, free of violence, peacefully resistant. The use of peaceful means not force to bring about a political or social change. In other words, we can say that Ezekiel is clearly a transitional poet. He has expressed the spirit of modern times, and he is a well-read scholar. His scholarship as well as craftsmanship is well reflected in his poems. Ezekiel uses all the ultra modern techniques of poetry, writing, and thereby exhibits his high aesthetic sense in his poems. His poems are combination of imagination and reality. So this word so many times previously I repeated the same line that his poems are combination of imagination and reality. The present poem, The Patriot, is one of the finest lyrics of Ezekiel. The language is simple but sarcastic throughout. It reflects the patriotism with question forms. And at the time of reading this poem, you will find he reflects his patriotism with the help of asking questions to the reader. The poet is the patriot. He started arguing in favor of patriotism with reference to Mahatma Gandhi. It becomes an occasion to create the importance of ancient Indian wisdom in compare with modern fashion and craze of foreign things. For example, the Mother's Day or the Father's Day. The poet quote that nowadays we often listen about terrorists and they must be at the age of students. That is not our tradition. The poet put sarcastic remarks that everything comes but we have to patient in every situation. So we can say the whole previously we come to know about his different features of writing or different techniques of writing or different techniques of reflecting patriotism in his volume, very famous volume, Very Indian Poem in Indian English. So with the help of this poem again he want to reflect his inner feeling of patriotism. Again, in other words, we can say the poem The Patriot is written by very famous popular poet Nizam Ezekiel, or in a very first 5 lines he write that he is against war and he wonders why people are not following the path of Mahatma Gandhi for peace. Or we can analyze this poem, The Patriot, that it can be or has been read in at least two conflicting ways as a satire and mockery of the speaker of poem, and as an affectionate portrayal of the poem speaker. According to the first view, the poem simplicity ridicules the speaker's use of English language, making that use seem awkward and ununiform. According to the second view, the poem presents the speaker in such a way that we cannot help but admire him by the end of the work. And of these two views, the second seems more convincing. If the poem had been written to satirize and ridicule the speaker, surely Ezekiel could have made that intention clearer. Besides, little that the speaker actually says seems worthy of severe mockery. The speaker seems to be a person with a generous outlook on life and on other people. And here we come across with the two very major or important word, satire and mockery. Satire here means the use of humor, ज्याला आपण मराठीत व्यंग असं म्हणतो. And mockery here means teasing. So students, this is your third slide, and these are all the lines I have taken after completing the very first 5 lines of our poem The Patriot. Now see here, ancient Indian wisdom is 100% correct. I should say even 200% correct, but modern generation is neglecting. Too much going for fashion and foreign thing. Other day I am reading newspaper. Every day I am reading Times of India to improve my English language. So again here we come to know, or this line again reflects the patriotic feelings of Nizam Ezekiel. Now see the very first line, ancient Indian wisdom is 100% correct. So with the help of this line, we come to know that he is in the favor of ancient Indian wisdom. The meaning of wisdom is given here. See, the hard words are given here. So wisdom means the quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment, the quality of being wise. So this is the meaning of the wisdom here, and we come to know that he is in the favor of ancient Indian wisdom, and that is why he says that it is 100% correct. But see the next, immediately in the next line, he again says, I should say even 200% correct, but modern generation is neglecting. So with the help of these lines, we come to know that he is not only the 100% correct, but immediately he says that, or it shows his confidence that he is not only the 100% correct, but 200% correct. But he says, and he feels very sad and says that modern generation is neglecting. They are not giving importance to our ancient culture or ancient Indian wisdom. Although we come to know that in the very first few lines of the poem, he is actually against any war, or he wonders why people are not following the path of Mahatma Gandhi, the rules of or the principles of Mahatma Gandhi for peace. But in this line, again we come to know that he wonders people in ancient times were 200% worthy. And now today's generation is just running behind fashion and lifestyle. Now, again we can say the patriot then points out a weakness of modern generation. The modern Indian neglects the ancient Indian culture and wisdom. They go too much for foreign fashion and the Western ways of life. Again, we can say that we find ironical expression that shows the Indians trying their or making their improvement of their English language learning. It means that Indians trying to improvement of their Indian language learning, and that is why he says that other day I am reading newspaper. Every day I am reading Times of India. And why is reading Times of India? In order to improve English language. Now again here you will find, see here the hard words are given. Ancient here means ज्याला आपण मराठीत प्राचीन म्हणतो, belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence. Second one is wisdom, the quality of having experience, knowledge and good judgment, the quality of being wise. Again we can say that in second stanza, the readers get a peep into things. Indians are Gandhi's hire and he would opt for peace and non-violence. He is puzzled why others are not following Gandhi's advice. While in this estimate, the ancient Indian wisdom is correct. Contrastively, the modern generation takes it to whatever is Western and fashionable. Like other Indians, he too has to improve his English language. The student interest and pity agitation make him feel sickeningly like a line Antony's appeal to the Roman mob, and he will call upon the fellow citizens to think of the past masters.